Hello everyone, myself SKJ. Welcome to my second lecture class. In the last class we studied what is surveying and importance of surveying. So today we are going to study what are the types of surveying and classification of surveying. Types of surveying. Surveying is primarily divided into two types. Number 1, plain surveying. Number 2, geodetic surveying. Before I explain about these two types of surveying, I would like to clarify the basics of survey lines which we draw it on the earth. As we know, earth has spheroidal in shape. Let us consider two plumb bob projecting 2 points at different location on the earth, say point 1 and point 2. The line of plumb bob which projecting point on the ground and will extend to the center point of the earth. The line is called plumb line or vertical line. To measuring the length between 2 points, you won't get a straight line due to curvature of the earth's surface. And plumb lines are not going to be parallel. To eliminate the curved lines, make the 2 points closer to each other so that curvature can be negligible and plumb lines are going to be parallel. With this concept, we are going to study the types of surveying, plain surveying and geodetic surveying. In the plain surveying, the surface of the earth is considered as plane and the spheroidal shape of the earth is neglected. In geodetic surveying, the shape of the earth is taken into account. Number 2, in plain surveying, all triangles formed by survey lines are considered plane triangles. In geodetic surveying, the triangles are spherical triangle. Number 3, in plain surveying, the level line is considered straight and all plumb lines are considered parallel. In geodetic surveying, level line is considered curve and all plumb lines are not parallel. Number 4, plain surveying is concerned with small portion of Earth's surface, whereas in geodetic surveying, which include work of large magnitude and high degree of precision. The fact that the length of an arc 12 km long laying in the Earth's surface is only 1 cm greater than the subtended chord, and further that the difference between the sum of the angles in a plane triangle and sum of those in a spherical triangle is only 1 second for a triangle at the Earth's surface, which will make an area of 195 square kilometer. These are the types of primary surveying. Now coming to classification of surveying. Surveys may be secondarily classified under number of headings which define the uses or purpose of resulting maps. Number 1, classification based upon nature of field. Number 2, classification based on object. Number 3, classification based on instrument used. So we'll go one by one. Number 1, that is classification based upon nature of field. So in that There are three types of surveying based upon the nature of field, which are follows as land survey, marine survey, astronomical survey. Land surveying. It can be further classified as topographical survey, cadastral survey, and city survey. It generally deals with natural or artificial features on land such as rivers, streams, lakes, wood, hills, roads, railways, canals, towns, water supply systems, buildings and properties, etc. Now coming to marine surveying. Marine or hydrographic survey deals with bodies of water for purpose of navigation, water supply, harbour works, or for determination of mean sea level. The work consists in measurement of discharge of streams, making topographic survey of shores and banks, taking and locating sounding to determine the depth of water, and observing fluctuation of the ocean tide. Now, astronomical surveying. The astronomical survey offers the surveyor means of determining the absolute location of any point or the absolute location of direction of any line on the surface of the earth. This consists in the observation to the heavenly bodies such as the sun or any fixed star. Now coming to classification based on objects. Classification based on objects. There are four types of surveying, which are as follows. Number 1, geological surveying. Number 2, mine surveying. Number 3, archaeological surveying. Number 4, military surveying. Now the third classification is based on instrument used. Classification based on types of instrument used. Surveying can be classified into 6 types: chain surveying, compass surveying, plane table surveying, theodolite surveying, tachymetric surveying, photographic surveying. I hope you understood today's topic, what I covered, that is types of surveying and classification of surveying. So for the next class, I am going to explain principles of surveying, scales, shrinkage of maps. See you in the next class. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.